Hi everyone, my name is Ellie and today I will be doing an interview with one of our UQ alumni going down an MD PhD pathway. Chloe Yap, could you please tell us what was your degree, major or specialisation at UQ, or what is?
Sure. So my undergraduate degree and major at UQ, so I did a Bachelor of Science with an extended major in biomedical science. At the current point, I'm doing an MD PhD program, which is a bit of a funny setup. But basically, you do medicine full time, then you do some PhD full time, and then you finish with some medicine full time.
So what do you enjoy about your field?
The field that I'm interested in is, broadly speaking, biological psychiatry. I specifically work on autism, but one of the really cool things about working in this kind of computational and genomics field is that you can pretty much apply your methods to whatever, and it sort of just works. And I'm interested in biological psychiatry because it's sort of one of those last frontiers of human understanding, as far as I see. Sort of understanding how we go from molecules to the mind. And one thing that I'm also very interested in are these links between the brain and the body, which have been historically divorced for decades, really, or centuries, or almost forever. And these links are sort of not really understood and not really looked at, but they're actually so pervasive. And I think there's a lot that we can gain from looking at things in a more integrated way.
Is there any particular pieces of advice that you'd give to new UQ students or students that would like to pursue a pathway similar to yours?
So in terms of, I guess, advice that I would give, maybe I was talking to myself just before I started, it would be just, especially in first year, just try things that, seem a bit different, that you had an interest in. It doesn't matter whether or not you were good at them in high school, because what you're good at in high school doesn't actually reflect what you're actually good at, or what, you'll enjoy, perhaps more importantly. For example, my weakest and most hated subjects in high school were kind of statistics-based stuff and computer-based stuff. And what I'm doing on a daily basis at the moment is kind of like computational stuff and statistical work. So yeah, don't let that hold you back.